Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki Z H2. This is the 1000cc inline 4-cylinder supercharged naked street fighter. Just arrived from its first owner, only 5,100 miles on it. It's got the engine guards and the little bit of fly screen there. Beautiful condition. She's getting 2 brand new Pirelli tires. Doesn't really need them, but we want to go premium here. $16,490, save thousands over the price of new. Come on by, make your supercharged dreams come true with this awesome ZH2 Street Fighter. We have financing available. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.